What's going on, everybody? John here with Bearded Outdoorsman Chronicles, just coming at you with a quick tip. So I just finished up my morning hunt in this area, and we're getting close to the end of archery season. I doubt I'm going to be coming back in here too much more. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my trail camera. And that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So as you can see, that camera is up there pretty good. I'm 6'2", and I can't touch the bottom of it. So what I like to do when I'm hanging cams is I like to run one stick on whatever tree I'm going to put the cam in. You'll want to put your stick on the back side. Makes it a lot easier for hanging it. Go ahead and get your stick cinched down on the tree. And hop up here and pull my cam. So I already jumped up here and turned this camera off, so don't worry, I'm not spinning around taking a million pictures or videos. But what really made me start to run these cameras a good about 10 foot high or so was on different pieces of land. I had people messing with my trail cameras, and then on other pieces of land I had bears messing with my trail cameras. Now obviously bears can climb trees, but the extra effort that it requires for them to get up there to get to the camera seems to be enough to deter them. So to keep people and bears off of my cameras, and to help also keep them out of the line of sight from, yet again, people and other animals, I find that running them about 10 foot or so up a tree has really just mitigated a lot of those issues I was having. You just got to make sure that you set your angle right. And there's a great mount made by HME that I like to run that gives you a lot of adjustability. I'll go ahead and cut one of those in here. So you can see what I'm talking about. But this particular set, I was running a spy point mount. But the main thing here is just carrying a stick with you of any sort and getting those cameras up a little higher to keep them away from people, bears, out of the line of sight of game and people. So hopefully that tip helps you out in running cameras in your local deer woods. Until next time, shoot straight.